Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I am so excited because earlier this year we teamed up with Missouri Organics on a special project in Raytown at our mother's garden, and we amended the soil there. And I went out and harvested some basil, and look at this basil. It is amazing. Loving this, healthy in every way, smells incredible. Look at that wonderful specimen. And the very cool thing about this is all of this basil is going in our 9 Hy-Vee supermarkets this week. So if you have a chance to swing by any of the Hy-Vee supermarkets and pick up Ophelia's Blue Vine, the fresh basil, and you're absolutely gonna love it. And I guarantee that you're gonna love this. If this is not the best basil you've ever had, email me and I'll buy it back. It's an incredible product, and we're so glad to be able to serve you with this phenomenal product this week, right here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And a special shout out to Missouri Organics and Stan and the whole team for doing what you do to help feed America.